Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bignesh and today, I've got a really fun and useful tutorial for you. We're going to learn how to design a double-sided 3D printable keychain in Fusion 360. To give you a quick idea of what we're making, here's the design. A QR code on the back and custom text on the front. It's simple but looks great and is super practical. So, let's get started. Alright, first things first. Let's create a folder double-sided keychain for the design and save it as initiated project for now. Now let's create the base of our keychain. We'll start by creating a new sketch on the top plane. I'll draw a square of 50 millimeters, which will be the main body of the keychain. Once that's done, I'll extrude it to a thickness of 4 millimeters. And just like that, our base will ready. Now let's add a QR code to the back of the keychain. I already have a QR code saved as an SVG file which we'll import. Go to Insert, then Insert SVG, and select your QR code. I'll position it neatly in the center of the backside and resize it to fit perfectly. After that, I'll extrude the QR code design slightly. Instead of the default cut operation, I'll select New Body. This makes the QR code stand out, giving it a nice embossed look. And there we go. Now just hide the base body and add appearance to the QR code. Search black in Library, select and add to the QR to make it black. Let's move to the front side now and add some custom text. We'll create a new sketch on the front face of the keychain. Using the text tool, I'll type in 3D, but feel free to add any name, phrase, or even a logo. You can adjust the font, size, and position until it looks just right. Once you're happy with it, extrude the text slightly to make it pop out. And that's it for the front design. Simple, but super customizable. Also, let's add appearance to this element to make this visible and customizable later. Next, we need to make a hole for the keyring. I'll create a new sketch in the top right corner of the keychain base. Using the circle tool, I'll draw a small circle, about 3 millimeters in diameter, add distance of 3 millimeters from edges and extrude it all the way through the base. This hole will make it easy to attach the keychain to your keys or a bag. Finally, let's give the edges of the keychain a nice smooth finish. I'll apply a fillet to all 4 edges of the base, about 2 millimeters. This makes the design look polished and also feels better to hold. Let's also add texture to the base and see how it looks. Let's search for wood and add it to the base. This look good, but not enough maybe. Let's have you suggest the texture would be look good on this, comment this down. And that's it. We've created a double-sided keychain with a QR code and custom text. It's ready to print and use. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, do me a favor, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.